On the right side of one piece of the fabric, sew one end of the elastic to the top of the short edge of the fabric, leaving approximately 1/4 inch of fabric above the elastic. Sew opposite end of the same elastic to the bottom of the short edge of fabric in the same manner. Repeat with the second piece of elastic on opposite short edge. Place the second piece of fabric with right sides together, elastic tucked in and to the center, on the first piece of fabric and pin in place, leaving a 3-inch opening along one long edge. Sew a round outer edge with 1/4 inch seam allowance, pivoting at the corners, leaving opening unsewn. Clip corners to within 1/8 inch of stitches. Turn inside out and point out corners with wooden stick. Press flat, opening out seams with stick if necessary, tucking in seam allowance at opening. Pin 3 1/4-inch pleats evenly spaced along each short edge of mask. Beginning at the far end of the opening, top stitch the mask 1/8 inch from edge, catching in the pleats on each short edge, ending where you began, having closed the opening and secured the stitches. Press the mask again, this time with steam, to set the pleats and sanitize the mask.